Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super hot topic, the highest paying AI careers in the United States right now. If you've been thinking about getting into artificial intelligence, or maybe you're already in tech and want to pivot, this video is for you. We'll break down the top roles, what they actually do, how much you can earn, and most importantly, the steps you can take to land one of these incredible jobs. The AI revolution is here, and it's creating some of the most lucrative and exciting career opportunities we've seen in a generation. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's explore how you can become a part of it. First up, let's talk about the big one, the machine learning engineer. This is one of the most in-demand roles in the entire tech industry. So what does a machine learning engineer do? In simple terms, they are the builders. They design, build, and deploy the machine learning models that power everything from your Netflix recommendations to the facial recognition on your phone. They take the theoretical models created by data scientists and turn them into real, working products. It's a role that combines strong software engineering skills with a deep understanding of data and algorithms. Now for the number you've been waiting for, the salary. For a machine learning engineer in the US, entry-level positions can start around $110,000 to $130,000 a year. As you gain experience, that number climbs fast. Mid-level engineers can expect to earn between $150,000 and $190,000. And for senior or lead ML engineers at top tech companies, salaries can easily surpass $250,000, not even including stock options and bonuses, which can be substantial. It's a field where your skills are directly rewarded. So, how do you become one? The path typically starts with a strong foundation in computer science. You need to be a proficient programmer, with Python being the absolute king in the ML world. You'll also want to know your way around key libraries and frameworks. Think TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. These are the tools of the trade. Beyond coding, a solid grasp of mathematics is crucial, especially linear algebra, calculus, and probability. Many professionals in this field have a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, but it's not the only way. A strong portfolio of projects is your golden ticket. Build something? Create a simple image classifier, a text sentiment analyzer, or a predictive model for stock prices. Post your code on GitHub. This practical experience is often more valuable to employers than a degree alone. Next on our list is the AI research scientist. If machine learning engineers are the builders, research scientists are the architects and inventors. They are the ones pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. They work on developing new algorithms and novel approaches to complex problems. Their work is often more theoretical and experimental. They might spend their time reading academic papers, running experiments, and publishing their own findings. This role is common in large tech companies with dedicated research labs, like Google's DeepMind or Meta's AI research team, as well as in universities and research institutions. The compensation for AI research scientists reflects the advanced expertise required. It's one of the highest-paying roles in tech. It's not uncommon for a PhD graduate to start with a total compensation package well over $200,000. Senior and principal scientists, especially those who are leaders in their specific subfield like natural language processing or computer vision, can command salaries of $300,000 to $500,000 or even more. The competition is fierce, but the rewards are immense. The pathway to becoming an AI research scientist is more academic. A PhD in computer science, machine learning, or a related field is often a prerequisite, especially for the top research labs. Your doctoral research becomes your calling card. During your PhD, you'll specialize in a specific area, publish papers in top-tier conferences like NeurIPS or ICML, and build a reputation as an expert. The skills you need are a very deep understanding of machine learning theory, advanced mathematics, and the ability to conduct independent, groundbreaking research. If you love theory, enjoy solving unsolved problems, and want to shape the future of AI, this could be the perfect path for you. Let's move on to another crucial role, the data scientist. While not exclusively an AI role, modern data science is heavily intertwined with machine learning. Data scientists are like detectives. They sift through massive amounts of data to find trends, make predictions, and extract valuable insights that help businesses make smarter decisions. They might build a model to predict customer churn, analyze user behavior to improve a product, or create dashboards to visualize key business metrics. They bridge the gap between raw data and actionable strategy. Salary-wise, data scientists are also very well compensated. In the US, an entry-level data scientist can expect to earn between $95,000 and $120,000. With a few years of experience, that jumps to the $140,000 to $170,000 range. Senior or lead data scientists can easily make upwards of $200,000. The exact salary can vary a lot depending on the industry, tech, and finance tend to pay more than, say, retail or healthcare, but the demand is strong across the board. How do you get there? The skill set for a data scientist is a unique blend. You need strong statistical knowledge, good programming skills, especially in Python or R, and proficiency with data manipulation and analysis libraries like Pandas and NumPy. You also need to be an expert in SQL, the language for querying databases. But beyond the technical skills, a great data scientist is also a great communicator. You have to be able to explain your complex findings to a non-technical audience, whether it's the marketing team or the CEO. A bachelor's or master's in statistics, math, computer science, or a specialized data science program is a common starting point. Like with ML engineering, building a portfolio of projects is key. You could analyze public datasets from sites like Kaggle, write blog posts about your findings, and showcase your ability to turn data into a compelling story. Now, let's talk about a role that's gaining a lot of traction, the AI product manager. You won't be writing the code, but you'll be deciding what the code should do. AI product managers define the vision and strategy for AI-powered products. They figure out what problems to solve for customers using AI, define the product requirements, and work closely with engineering and research teams to bring that vision to life. They need to understand the technology's capabilities and limitations, but their primary focus is on the user and the business value. The pay for AI product managers is excellent. Since it's a specialized PM role, it commands a premium. An AI PM can expect to earn between $150,000 and $120,000, with senior roles at major tech companies reaching well over $250,000 in total compensation. It's a leadership role that requires a unique mix of technical fluency, business acumen, and user empathy. To become an AI product manager, you usually need a background in product management combined with a strong understanding of AI and machine learning. You don't need to be a PhD researcher, but you need to be able to have intelligent conversations with the engineering team. You should understand concepts like training data, model accuracy, and inference latency. Many AI PMs transition from software engineering or data science roles. Others might come from a traditional PM background and take specialized courses or certifications in AI/ML to bridge the knowledge gap. The key is to demonstrate that you can guide the development of a technical product and that you understand the unique challenges and opportunities that AI presents. So let's recap the key steps you can take, regardless of which role you're targeting. First, build a solid foundation. Master Python. It's the language of AI. Learn the core mathematical concepts, linear algebra, calculus, and probability. You don't need to be a math genius, but you need to be comfortable with these ideas. Second, get hands-on experience. Theory is great, but application is everything. Take online courses from platforms like Coursera, edX, or Audacity. They have amazing specializations from top universities and companies. But don't just watch the videos. Do the projects, then go beyond the courses. Find a dataset you're passionate about and build your own project from scratch. Document your process and put it on GitHub. This portfolio is your proof that you can do the work. Third, specialize and network. AI is a vast field. Are you interested in computer vision, natural language processing, or reinforcement learning? Pick an area that excites you and go deep. Read papers, follow top researchers on Twitter, and engage with the community. Join online forums, attend virtual meetups, or go to conferences if you can. Networking is incredibly powerful. The person you have a conversation with today might be the one who refers you for your dream job tomorrow. Breaking into AI isn't easy, but it's more accessible than ever before. There's a wealth of information and tools available online, many of them for free. It requires dedication and a passion for learning. The journey might feel long, but every line of code you write and every concept you master is a step in the right direction. The demand for these skills is only going to grow, and a career in AI can be not only financially rewarding, but also incredibly fulfilling as you work on technology that is truly changing the world. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this breakdown was helpful for you. If you have any questions or want to share your own journey into AI, please drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. And if you got value from this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on careers in tech and AI. I'll see you in the next one.